Okay, this is Sundance Resort right here. Hey guys, Ty Wild with Traveling Wild. Got my beautiful wife here, my favorite companion, my adventure buddy. We are hiking to
Stewart Falls.
And it's chilly this morning, so we probably won't be sweating too much. Okay, so this hike to Stewart Falls is about 3.5 miles there and back.
And you gain about 839 feet in elevation.
And we're already feeling it. It's not that much, but I'm already breathing heavy. Also, this hike is considered easy to moderate, and you're just a few miles outside of Sundance Resort, up Provo Canyon.
You might want to come early because this hike can get pretty crowded.
Yeah, the parking lot's always full. So yeah, try to pick an off day. Saturday's not a good day to come. So we're kind of blessed because we had to do the hike together, just the two of us. But this is a great hike for kids because the trails are really well maintained and there's nothing really technical or tricky. So feel free to bring the kids. Another huge advantage to this hike, or many consider it probably a disadvantage, is that you get cell phone service. So if something happens, you can call somebody, or if you want to talk to a loved one, just give them a call or text them or whatever. Or you can check the score of your favorite team. Are the Dolphins winning? I don't know. They're not actually playing okay. Oh, just slipped. Should pay attention where I'm going. You know, another nice thing about this hike is that it's very shaded, isn't it?
Yeah.
Been in the trees a lot, so on a hot summer day, this might be a great hike. Yeah. Okay, if you look over here, there was obviously an avalanche this last year right through this section. You can see all the trees got knocked over. You can kind of see the waterfall from here. but not good enough. We're just gonna keep on going. Okay, so Stewart Falls is a 2-tier waterfall that cascades down about 200 feet. So this is actually one of the most popular and most beautiful waterfalls in this area. Tricky down steps here. This is probably the most difficult part so far. Amazing. Into the waterfall. Here we go. Cold. I'm not even in the water yet. It's freezing. But as a travel vlogger, I got to get you close to the action so you can see it all. It's kind of mossy here, so I'm afraid I'm going to slip. Oh yeah, super mossy and cold, very cold. But made it. Cold, very cold, shivering. Out of here. That's the closest I'm getting. go, baby. That is freezing. I don't recommend it.
By the way, it's the end of August and the waterfall is still really big, so it's a great time of year to come.
Okay, so I lied earlier in the video when I said it was really shady most of the way. There's also a lot of stretches where there's a lot of sun.
If you come in the afternoon.
Yeah, this is definitely, I definitely recommend a morning hike. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Please give me a thumbs up, it'll make you feel good, and subscribe to my channel for more great travel videos. If you're hoping to see more drone footage, I'll put the rest of that footage at the end of this video, so keep on watching.